Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin with fast, high-impact checks. First, confirm your carrier and account are active, then toggle airplane mode on and off to reboot radios. Next, power cycle the iPhone and inspect the SIM tray. If it's loose or dirty, remove and reseat the SIM. Make sure iOS and carrier settings are updated, because updates often fix network bugs. Once done, you'll know whether the issue is a simple radio or account problem before moving to deeper diagnostics. Now you tackle the complex middle steps. Start by resetting network settings to clear corrupt profiles or Wi-Fi data. This removes saved networks and VPNs, but often restores service. If that fails, test the SIM in another phone or try a different SIM in your iPhone to isolate whether the device or carrier is at fault. Also check for carrier outages and confirm APN settings if you use a mobile virtual network operator. Because incorrect APNs, finish with definitive actions. Back up your data, then update or restore the iPhone using Finder or iTunes to resolve deep software corruption. If the issue persists, contact your carrier to verify provisioning, request a SIM replacement, or confirm local tower problems. Make an appointment with Apple or an authorized repair shop only after carrier checks, since hardware faults like antenna or logic board failures need professional diagnosis. If nothing works, the one key tip: document tests and times to speed carrier or repair support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.